I have a very special gift. I think it is squishies. That's what my sister said, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So my friend Helen, my sister met my friend Helen, and then in the morning, and then she said that it is a squishy package, but I'm not sure. And it's like my early birthday gift, so I'm very excited. And it is in this bag, and there's a package inside. So I might not look as excited as I am, but I'm actually really excited.
Yeah, she's been talking for like over a month.
Yeah, so let's get started. So this is how it looks like, and here is like my address, so I'm covering it. I'm just gonna take my address out actually, so yeah, I just took it out because it's just tape. And it says, "Happy birthday. Hope you like it." So, yeah. So this is how the package looks like. And I can see there's like an invoice, but I didn't order from her. She gave it to me. So, yeah. So sorry about before, that was just my mom.
Showing off shoes, which is really booty.
And my leg is like bigger than my mom's, even though I'm like
smaller than her.
Yeah, like shorter than her. And so this is like the invoice. Oh my god. This says Squishies for you and me. That's my name. So this is like the invoice. You can pause and read it. It says 1 jumbo panda bun, but she said on Gmail that it's gonna be like medium sized. Pink peach. Oh, the eye bloom. 1 eye bloom pink peach jumbo. 1 red strawberry jumbo. 1 dumpling. I just had to close the door because my sister was in. And 1 panda long, like a wrist rest jumbo. If you hear background noises, that's just my sister. So can you close the door, please? And 1 cat face. And then yeah, that's it. So so I'm just going to open this. I don't want to cut the squishies, so I'm just going to cut this piece of tape.
Do you need help?
No. Oh.
No, don't put it in there.
Yeah.
Stick it on the ground.
No.
It doesn't matter.
No. Oh, I took the note off. I can see some.
That's a lot.
I don't even know how many there is. I didn't count. There are.
Fixing her grammar / vocabulary mistakes.
Oh my god! What is this?
Squishies.
No. I don't mean that. I can see my peach too. That she's so pretty. Sorry about the tape sound. I'll just be right back. So I got it open. So this is how it looks like right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So let's take this part off. And I'm just gonna pull out the stuff I feel first. So, yay, my peach. Smells like chemicals, so. Ooh, that's so slow rising. So my sister's here, so she's gonna feel it too, but I'm just gonna smell it. Here's a resealable package. It kind of smells like peach, but then the rest is like chemicals. Don't take out the package.
How do you smell it? I'm gonna squish it, okay?
Yeah. Leave it here.
Are you serious? When you squeeze it, smells like peach.
Yeah, when you squeeze it, it smells like peach. So thanks for this one. I really wanted this. Like, this is my first ever squishy package, right? Yeah, and like, where's the turtle one?
Oh, where did it go? Oh, there it is.
Okay, so I even have this turtle one that my friend gave. This is like a melon bun, but like a turtle version. So, yeah. Thank you for that. And this squishy package is from Helen, my friend. So, yeah. And the next thing I pull out.
I can have it?
Yeah.
My sister gave me this one.
Okay, this one is kind of sticky. But this one is like a panda bun.
Oh my gosh.
This one is a panda bun. My sister's like obsessed with squishies now. I'm actually trying to get it.
Now I know why people like this so much. I
feel like it's gonna be trended out in our school now.
Because it is.
It
In
is?
primary it is.
Really? But only some of the primaries have it, not like all. My gosh, this one's sticky.
Why do you take that out and not the album squishy?
I will, but I just want to put this back in. Sorry guys, this one is kind of sticky. So, I don't know how, like, my friend put it in here, or the store put it in here, but, okay, good. So this is my panda bun. And I wanted the tongue one so badly. So this is how it looks like. So cute. And this one comes with a keychain. There. But then this one doesn't come with a keychain. So that's fine. So thank you so much for this one. My sister's gonna switch. And then
I'm gonna steal everything.
So yeah. This one is really slow rising. And the next thing I feel. Ooh, this one is my wrist rest. Yeah. This one is when you have your computer, you just like place it down like this, and then you can rest your hand on there. So I got the panda one. I wanted the pig, but I'm fine with panda. That one is pretty squishy.
I'm gonna peel everything, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really slow rising. If you guys can see. Yeah, like that. And I really like the sound of the plastic. So right now total is 3. So the next one.
4.
No, that's not in the package.
Okay.
The next one I pull out is the strawberry. It smells like bread. And then this one has a keychain. There. This one doesn't have a keychain. This is the strawberry. Wait, too much air. So this one has like so much air in the package that I can't really squish it, but
Jimmy, pause it.
so this is how squishy it is. If you guys can see. At the end, I think I'm going to take it all out. So thank you for this one. And this one has a keychain on it. So yeah. And then the next one is this is the cat face or the dog face. I'm not sure, but pretty sure. That's pretty slow rising. if you guys hear like door noises, that's just because I'm filming next to my door. So yeah. So this one has a keychain too. I really like these keychains. Thank you very much. So that's my 5th one. So next one, I don't know. I thought it was a bun, but then it's like this dumpling bun.
Yeah, we're going to go down
And
now.
it has this keychain. And my sister's calling someone, so let's squish this. That's pretty squishy.
Okay.
And then it has this face right there.
Yeah, of the house.
And then
Yeah.
wait, let me just. I don't even know what this is. Let me
I don't
just
think
see.
so.
We only have 1,
I'm not
3, 4.
Okay.
She only
Okay,
like
cool.
the real
Bye.
ones are only 6. Let me
Bye.
just see. Let me just like text her and ask her like what these are. So
I think I know. Oh,
Yeah.
They're extras.
so I just asked her and she said these are extras. So
Oh, you really didn't need to do that. You have to say that, Jenny. Do you want to see my face or not? No.
so gonna take the tape out. Oh my gosh, she didn't really have to do that. She
Oh,
gave me
wait.
extra.
You look so yellow.
You look so yellow.
Racist.
So, okay, I'm excited about. Oh, it says it's extra. So here it says extra. So I'm excited. Let's open this. It's like a baggie that is like thin. So first thing, ooh, I got this tofu bun. This is how it looks like, and it has a keychain. Let's squish it. Oh, pretty squishy. Thank you so much for this. And I got the green one. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. So the next extra. Oh, ooh, this ice cream cone. Is this ice cream cone and with this keychain. So let's feel that. Let's squish it. That's just my sister squishing. Wait. So this is a mint, the double scoop cone, ice cream cone. No.
Let's feel them.
And then there's 2 more extras. So.
Oh, this one has a hole in it.
Ooh, where?
Just a plastic bag.
Oh, plastic bag, you mean? So, I got this orange donut. So, yeah. Thank you very much.
It smells like bread.
And then, the last one. So the last extra, I have this duck. Wait. Pretty squishy. I'm just gonna take this out. This one out.
You should take the peach out.
Ooh, pretty squishy. It is pretty squishy.
I feel it.
So yeah, thank you very much, Helen. And thank you guys for watching.
And I'm gonna open them now.
And you should subscribe. So yeah, bye.
Oh my god, this is